So when we think about academic writing, we think about some features in particular that we expect to see. So one of those is the audience that the writing is intended for. Academic writing is intended for a professional or academic audience. And what we mean by that is we expect these people to have previous knowledge on the topic. They already have a working knowledge of the field, so there's a set of vocabulary that we expect them to already have on the subject. We expect them to be well informed about it already. So you don't have to go over details the way you would if you were writing for a general audience. We also expect academic writing to be making a clear and compelling point in a formal and clear way. Academic arguments should be very direct. They should not be passive-aggressive, hiding what they want. They should be very upfront with what they're saying and with building their argument in a very driven way. We also expect our academic writing to follow the conventions of format that the particular field of study uses or the particular publication uses. So having the way the font is or the way the paragraphs are arranged that way. We expect correct grammar and punctuation in this kind of argument. Furthermore, we expect academic arguments to be using complex and precise language. The ideas communicated should be complex, and thus the language will have to be complex too. So you wouldn't say, oh, that's good, because what does good mean, right? You would need to be saying, what is good about it? What is beneficial? So, for example, instead of saying they did a good job, what did they do that was good? Did they improve a specific parameter, for example? Further than that, academic writing usually is trying to go beyond just reporting on existing knowledge. So academic writing wants to generate new knowledge. People who are writing academic papers, they're not just saying, here's what people have done, here's what people have said. They are saying, here's something new. Here is a new consideration to think of, here's a new way to look at it, here's something new we can try, here's some new research that we've been doing, and here's what we found out. Of course, academic writing is based on research and evidence. Sometimes it's theoretical, but we always have some kind of concrete basis. Where is the data, basically, that supports whatever the person is claiming? And of course, that data will be documented properly using a professional citation style. So you'll have, in our class, MLA citation. For sciences, they usually use APA. Some different disciplines use different schemes, but the argument will have documentation for all of the claims. So experts believe this. You will know which experts. You will know how to find them exactly if the writing that you're looking at is academic. And those are a few things that can help you tell academic writing apart from other types of writing, like maybe journalistic writing, where they're not as, they won't document their sources the same way. They're usually going to be less formal. Certainly something like a blog post would be very, very informal. They may not document their sources at all or only have links. Personal evidence will be accepted in, say, a blog post, whereas that wouldn't be something that you would necessarily use in an academic argument, for example.